Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka Cultural Museum in Fonglin Township, Hualien County, is the first such museum in eastern Taiwan. It has a valuable collection that includes old photographs, maps, everyday items, and info on Hualien Hakka people's history, religious beliefs, modes of transportation, and more. The museum also features traditional blue-dyed clothing and old Hakka farming tools. Anyone interested in Hakka cuisine, culture, and history should definitely stop by the Fonglin Township Hakka Cultural Museum for a fascinating look at Hakka life.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And it's the month of September. We can still go out into the nature and learn more about the Hakka culture. And let's have Leo take us somewhere today. 今天是不是 Leo 在9月份，我们还是可以出去踏青？有没有什么地方可以让我们也可以学习到一些客家文化？
好啊。那我们今天就来去东埔行行聊聊好了。我们来去法脸烟枫林镇。
枫林镇哦，这是枫林有枫林的镇吗？
这个我就不太确定了。
不是枫林，那是什么？
就是凤林镇
啊，凤林不是凤山哦，那是高雄。凤林 ，That's in Hualien County on the East Coast. How do you say that in Hakka?
枫林镇。
枫林镇 ，Okay, that's the township known as 凤林。And what can you find here? 这到底有什么特色呢？在这儿
这边有一座凤林公园，它里面有东部第一座的客家文物馆。
哦，这我听得懂了，就是客家文物馆嘛。Right? 客家文物馆 ，Okay, that means a Hakka Culture Museum, and it's the first on the East Coast of Taiwan. So there's got to be a lot of history to it. 这应该蛮有历史性的哦。然后呢，我相信这里面一定可以看到很多客家生活上面用的一些东西吧。
超嘎它总共有2层楼。1楼的话呢，就是有地图啊，还有一些生活的用具然后2楼呢就有懒烟。然后还有一些传统的服饰啊，粥蛤啦，还有农业用的嘎拉凤。
OK， 懒烟这个我们以前教过。
对
，It's the blue dyed cloth. Okay, and that's something that's very traditional with the Hakka culture. 这在2楼才可以找得到，对不对？
是。
那1楼呢就比较生活器具啦，然后做地图啦，you can find maps and everyday tools on the first floor of this museum. Oh, very nice. Okay, let's review these terms. 花莲县的凤林镇，
法脸烟枫林镇。
法脸烟枫林镇 and then the Hakka Museum 客家文物馆
客家文物馆
客家文物館 and there you go check it out when you're on the East Coast and that does it for today's talk about Hakka
什麼大家
按自寫章來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.